Hello friends, my name is Akshay. You are watching CC Takes. Let's start. So today we are going to make a simple calculator. Whatever concept we have learned from earlier lectures, and here we start. Simple calculator. This is a comment. Simple calculator in Python. So what we have to do? First we will give some options to the user. First of all, a welcome message. I just copy it. First of all, a welcome message, as it is a good habit. Then first option, addition. We'll perform some basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and cube, square, like that. So I'm just writing it here, number by number. Multiplication, and this one is division, number 4. Fifth for square, and sixth for cube. And a last option for exit. Okay, then we will take input from user, that is choice. It will a choice number actually. Enter your choice number. We simply take a variable, namely x, and we are storing our choice number in that x. And now this is if x is equal to 1. If we type x is equal to 1, it means what is x? X is 1, and 1 is in the string. This is not integer yet. So if x is equal to 1, that means enter your choice number, and we entered 1. So we'll ask for first number, and this first number will store into the variable a. I'm declaring here the second variable, that is b, and I'll ask for the second number, and that will store into b. So what we have to do, simply we will pick a third variable, namely c. So now we have two values. What we have to do, we have to just add that two values. So here c is equal to int a plus int b. So why int? Because these are just integers, and we cannot perform operations on that string values. So what we are going to type here, this will be a string, or this will consider as a string, but we can't perform function on string. So we are just going to convert them into integer, and we have learned that how to convert string values into integer. So that's why we use that int, and this is our function. First function is ready. yes, it's working. So here, enter the first number, enter the second number, and addition is working finally. So what we are going to do now, will just copy it and we'll change it according to our needs. Okay, I'll paste it. Now I'll change it as 2 x. If x is equal to 2, then what will happen? Then this will be a subtraction. So I'll simply write here subtraction and I'll change just that sign. So you can get, I just change our sign. Here for multiplication and multiplication. Yeah, multiplication. And once again, if we are doing this all by using if. So this is for division. Similarly, we can do this by switch statement, but we haven't learned yet switch. So, but we have learned that if. Always remember, there is an option for using if without else, but no else can occur without if. This is, I have to change that x is equal to 1. X is equal to 5. What is on the fifth number? It is, I think it's square. So we will change that addition to square and that second variable is garage. Okay, so what we have to do? Okay. Okay, it's okay. I think you are good in getting code. Sorry, I have. Yes, it's changed. For exit, we are typing a code, and if 7th, then it will simply write thank you and exit, and code will be terminated. So let's see what you have done. You have a code with 7 if, and for every appropriate yes, we have that code now. Let's run it. Enter your choice now. Press 1. Enter first number 45, 78. Addition is 123. I think we got it. Arrow try with another option. Just sorry for the language change in the middle of the section, but to cover the whole audience, I have to do it. So please keep supporting us as you was earlier doing. And I will come with a new video that will be based upon the technology facts, or we will discuss about Python, something like that. If you have any problem, you can comment it down. If you like my videos, please share, and if you are new here, please subscribe.